everyone, I'm Cheren. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you my first ever TWS true wireless earbuds. That's for myself. I purchased this on 11th of November, which was a big sale. I have chosen this ivory white color as the another white color was not available. So it has a very simple design. It has a partially transparent cover. There are some plastic sticking on the earbuds as well. So I took it out one by one. Okay, it has a very small LED light. The color for the LED is white color. There's no function of a light lighting up when I open the cover. Take a look at the back side. It provides a USB Type-C cable for the charging purpose. And also some user manual, which I don't look at it. Okay, there are some procedures that you can change the setting for the tapping twice. I decided to buy this brand because it has an app that for the users to customize the settings, like double tap for play or pause, triple tap for forwarding or want to replay a previous song. That's really good in the way that the other earbuds may not provide this kind of functions and availability to customize. And I finally have wireless earbuds, which is convenient, and they are light in weight. Let's also take a look at the other devices. Okay, the another two earbuds on my hand. This is the Samsung Galaxy AKG. I'm not going to name the product name. And also the Huawei, which was released a few years ago. So I just tried it on myself. I think my ear is more comfortable by wearing those with the hanging one, so I don't feel stressed. Okay, but I like the design of the Huawei's one because it's like hanging on my ear, just like how the Edifier hanging on my ear. For the AKG is the in-ear, and I don't really like it. Overall, I think the music quality for Edifier is the worst, but the battery life is really good and I like the function that it provides. But I do enjoy the earbuds when very silent mode, very quiet environment, then you can listen more detail of the music. And also I want to mention about the Bluetooth wireless transmitter for my music. So before I have my Edifier, I always use this to connect with my Apple wired headphone. And also I did some advertisement for Technics Bluetooth wireless transmitter for the listening. This audio quality is much better than the Edifier. And well, it all depends on you, how you use it, because I just use for my commute and dishwashing, so it doesn't matter for me. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.